What's up, guys? It's Zed here. Sorry for a late delay. It's just have been having troubles with audio and stuff with the GoPro. So I decided to use my phone instead of the GoPro for now, so I can get this video out as soon as possible. So right here I have the Yamaha R3 with the Akrapovic Racing GP exhaust. Apologize for the dirtiness, I just took it out for a rainy ride. But my take on it, it's an amazing exhaust. I bought it for $611 off of Revzilla. Got in within about 5 days. It was pretty easy to install and stuff. Sounds great. Adds about 4 or 5 horsepower. About 2 or 3 torques. Install was pretty easy. The fairings was the hardest part to get off. But after you get that, it's pretty simple install, straightforward. Comparing to the other exhausts, I was looking at like Two Brothers. That was a little outrageous price for me for a smaller CC bike. Oh, there's a spider there. Let's kill that. Alright. Moving along. Alright, so and the sound of the Two Brothers was good, but it is a little expensive for my taste. So I was looking at Yoshimura, however you pronounce it. That was a good price and stuff. It wasn't my style of look. So basically I got this exhaust just basing off of looks and sound, but it turned out to be the best exhaust in my opinion. Stock exhaust decibel level was around like 77 at idle, and this one was, I think it was like 89 decibels at idle, which is really good. It's a big difference. Making the stock exhaust was so quiet you could barely hear it when you revved it or like moved. It sounded like a Grom stock exhaust pretty much. It was that quiet. It did sound really quiet though. So that's pretty much the basis of why I bought it. I hope that answers your questions. I'll start up and let y'all listen to it. Don't worry, it's all warmed up and stuff. It has a nice little deep throat to it. It's nice. Let's see where idle's at. Idle's around almost 15. It's exactly 1500 decibel, or not decibel, sorry, RPMs. I'll walk around about 12 feet and listen to that. Alright, this is about 12 feet back. Get a nice sound test. So hopefully that got an idea of distance-wise of what it sounds like. I'll do a little up close. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm Zed signing out.